A new feature in Mari Extension Pack 6.3 are project collections, allowing you to sort your Mari files in the project tab into categories. By default, Mari always shows you a full list of all projects in your cache directory, and this original behavior is represented by the All Projects collection. We also have a miscellaneous project collection, which contains all projects that do not have any collection assigned. A project can belong to any number of collections. So this is where the collection functionality differs from something like a group, where only one parent would be allowed. To create a new collection, click on this button here, and you can specify the name and color code of the collection. Taking on this checkbox will automatically add the current selection of projects to that new collection. If you wish to change the color code later on, just create the collection again with the same name, and the existing collection will get its color code updated. If you wish to manually add projects to collections, click the green arrow button here and choose your collection to add to. To remove a project from a collection, click the red arrow up button. Empty collections will be auto-removed when you close Mari. Next to the collections dropdown, you will find a pin button, allowing you to specify which collection should be the default one that Mari opens with. Using the filter here, you can search within collections, and the search field works with the same expression search methods that other extension pack features use. So you can comma separate words to search for them using the OR operator. For example, sphere, comma box shows you projects that have either sphere or box in the name. If you use sphere plus box, then only projects are shown that have both sphere and box in their name. If you prefix a word with an exclamation mark, this will exclude items. For example, sphere plus exclamation mark box will only show you projects that have sphere in their name, but they are not allowed to have box in their name also. Apart from the regular search inside project names, you can also use the search fields to search within a project's metadata. Metadata entries are, for example, the items you can find in the tooltips of projects. To search for metadata, prefix the search term with a $sign. You can search both in specific metadata as well as all of them. So for example, if I type $plain.obj, I will only see projects that have a metadata value in any of its metadata that contains plain.obj. If you want to search in specific metadata entries for specific values, you can give the metadata name first and the value to search for after a colon. $version: 7 will search in the metadata called version for a value 7, showing me only projects that were opened in Mari 7. If you rather wish to go back to Mari's standard project tab, you can find several options to configure the project collections options in the Mari preferences. You can, for example, hide the project collections widget completely. Specify if a newly created project should be automatically added to the active collection, and if the user should have the option to define default collections via this pin button. Project collections are fully accessible via Extension Pack's Python API, allowing you, for example, to maintain and create collections automatically that group show specific Mari projects into new or existing collections.